You've got a lady, I bet you've got a honey-do list, and today we are going to tackle one of the jobs that's been on mine for months, actually, maybe years. They're ugly, they're old. They've been deemed the boob lights. And today, they got to go. First step, of course, is out with the old. So now that we got everything taken out of the ceiling, including the receptacle box and all of the hardware, we've got to get this guy ready to go in. So most of these flush mounts have a box that goes in the ceiling. In the box, of course, you've got your leads, and then they've got the SharkBite style connectors. All right, new box is installed, electrically connected, and I'm an idiot. You're supposed to definitely cut the proper 6-inch size hole for this light fixture before you do that. But I'm just gonna do it by hand and be careful. Here we go. All right, now all the hard stuff's done. We just gotta connect our light to the box and install our fixture. Now for the real big question, does it work? Let's see. Switch. Boom! Success. I'll tell you what, you will make a crazy mess though. Wife's gonna love that. You can tell I'm completely covered in goodness from the sky. You ready to see what it looks like? Boom! No more boob lights. If you haven't seen, I'm giving away a small block Chevy, and all you've got to do is subscribe to be entered. So if you haven't yet, please do. See you next time.